2005 Toyota Corolla Ce 1.8 liter. We had a misfire. The check engine light was flashing this morning, so we brought it back home. The only codes that I pulled up first was a P0301, so misfire in cylinder 1. So all I did, the first thing I did was I swapped cylinders 1 and 4 ignition coils with each other and started the vehicle for a short period of time, and the misfire followed to cylinder number 4. So I bought a new ignition coil, 4 new plugs. So I'm going to replace those and hopefully this misfire goes away. This one should be the bad one. Swap that one.
Just enough. Okay, this one should be the bad one. Put you up there.
5/8 spark plug socket. Oil fouled heavily. Okay, so there's all cylinder 1. And cylinder 2. Cylinder number 3. So, new spark plugs. These are some NGKs. Just going to put a dab of some really gunked up anti-seize. It's sitting in my trailer. It doesn't take too much, just a dab, and then I run it across all the threads like so. Okay, let's get up here in this part. Okay, so I'm going to thread this guy in. And once I get it hand tight, I'll thread it, first one in hand tight. Now these get torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. P07. There we go. That one's done. Okay. Alright, that's hand tight. And let's work it. Okay, that one's good. Okay, all 4 of these I just tightened them hand tight and then I torque them. Okay, all spark plugs are torqued.
There, ignition coils. There again. Should be a faulty one. Everybody can diagnose it. Misfire is easy, you know?
Okay, clear. DTC. Yes. Okay, so yes, I want to continue. Okay. Escape. Reading codes. Pass no fault. How's it feel now, Mama? I'm gonna go back in here, read the codes, and see if anything popped up. It would pop up immediately. No faults. Alright, well, we're gonna go test drive it. but that should be the fix for this car. So it has been a couple days now since I replaced the coil and the spark plugs on this car, and the check engine light has not come back on. The AutoZone brand was not my first choice, but we didn't really have any other options. The dealer wasn't open and we had to get the car running. But anyways, that repaired this vehicle for that check engine light code. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.